If only you could smell what these guys come up with, it's fantastic. We were just driving around and we were trying to figure out where should we go eat, and this is pretty much a very good option for anyone who wants something quick, and if you're looking for something that is out of this world when it comes to Kueh Tiaw or mee goreng, we're gonna go check out this place. It's called the Saucy'sside. It is raining right now, so it's a good thing they have these little tents here. We've got a few guys here sitting around, and because of the rain, it's kind of slow, but it usually picks up later on in the evening. The skills that these guys have is spectacular. If only you could smell what these guys come up with, it's fantastic. If only you guys had the chance to smell all this, it's like I can smell the smoke, I can smell the garlic, I can smell the oil, and most importantly, I can smell the chili. First, he takes the portion of noodles. So this is going to be mee goreng or fried noodles, yellow noodles. So pay attention, right guys? This goes really fast. Woo! Check it out. Oh my god, love that. Love the flame. There goes the noodles. He put in some eggs. And everything has been nicely prepared. All the secret ingredients have been mixed in. Some more noodles. Some broth, water. And this is the kind of stuff that you can only do with a lot of flame. Just put in some condiments in there. Some of the, I don't know, I think looks like curry. And he's all done. Did you see how fast that was? That was less than a minute. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed looking at that really quick process. I've had the noodles here a few times. So today I actually wanted to try out the Nasi Lemak Special, which is pretty much everything. It's got a whole leg of chicken, deep fried to perfection. I've tried it before, but I've never tried the special, which comes with a bigger portion and sunny side up egg on top of it. This is freshly fried. It's deep fried and it's done the way I like it because it's nice and crispy, but it's juicy on the inside. So let's just take this. I gotta be honest with you, the best way to eat this is actually with fingers. So let's just put this together. We'll put a little bit of the spicy and non-spicy. It's actually nice when you mix it together. mix the sambal together, right? The spicy and the non-spicy. It actually gives you that mixed taste of tanginess. It's really not that spicy. See, here, try it out. It's not that spicy, but I like the sambal.
This guy is zero spicy. Zero spicy like children.
Yes. Okay, one more round. And of course, having the all that yolk all over makes it taste a lot better too. This stuff is better eaten with your hand or your fingers. And let me just add the chicken. The good thing is to make what makes it nice. It's actually salty a bit, or a little bit more saltier than just normal fried chicken, but it goes really well with the spicy and or the sambal. It goes really well regardless of which sambal you go with. So the one I've opted for was the mixed spicy and non-spicy sambal, and with the saltiness of the chicken, and of course the rice. It's not just normal rice. It was boiled with coconut milk together with the rice. So it's genuinely Nasi Lemak or coconut milk rice. Yeah, it's really fattening, but it's really good. So who cares, right? If you're on a diet, today's a cheat day, like it is for me. It's a good time to have it. Okay, we're all done. There's pretty much nothing else we can fit into our belly, but we intentionally came for the Nasi Lemak Special. So if you look at what we've had, they're pretty much the same thing, Nasi Lemak Special, and judging from our plates, everything is down to bones, not a speck of rice. So that was it. It was really good. I enjoyed that. Every time I come here, I actually enjoy having just about anything. Another thing I forgot to add, if you're ever here and you want a good drink to try, nice hot Teh Tarik. Now you got to try the Teh Tarik here because they put a different ingredient. I can't remember what's in it, but there's a spice that's included in this in the Teh Tarik here. So please go ahead and try it out. So thank you for joining me in this video. If you haven't done yet, please go ahead and subscribe right now below and comment. Tell me what you thought of this episode. Have you tried out this place? I'm gonna give you the link to their Facebook and Instagram pages, which has all the information for you to find them. All right, so until the next video, thank you very much for watching this. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.